the dot format method, that is s.format. What does it do? Alright, it does something like this. We can just have a look at it. Let me just create a string. Rich. Before that, let me create a variable. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 3. A plus B is equal to C, or C is equal to A plus B. I'm just creating a new variable C. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now I want to insert the values of A, B, and C. I want to insert them in a string. Let me say this is I want to insert. I want to say it like this. A plus B equal to C. I just want to say 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Now I can say this, if I just say 2 plus 3 equal to 5, I can say it like this as a string. Yes, I can. But this is not what I want to do. I want to insert the values of A and B. Let's say, for example, A was some other value. I should be able to insert the A and B and C value. So one of the ways that you can do is using the, using the percentage. You can say percentage D plus percentage D, where B is decimal, is equal to, again, another percentage T. Close it, close the strings, put a percentage, and in this you can put the 3 values that you want to insert that are add the corresponding percentages. What are the 3 values? A, B, C. The same thing, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Of course, you don't need to give those spaces. It's looking a bit weird because of that, right? So if I say something like this, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So wherever there are percentage D's in the string, it will insert wherever there is percentage. Of course, this is one of the ways. But another way is you can use a method called as format method. Now, what is a format method? Let's say a string, this is a string. The string can call a method called as format. Alright, so this is a method string which calls a method called as format. Now, this particular string, it will say, wherever, instead of putting percentage D, just put brackets like this. This plus this is equal to this. Now, wherever there is brackets, I want to insert the value of A, B, C, and that format method does it. Wherever there are curly braces inside the string, it inserts the corresponding variables. That's it. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That's about a format methods. Now, let's say if there is a string called as hello world, I can use a method called as s.split. s.split, what does s.split do? s.split, it splits the hello world into 2 strings, that is hello and world. So 2 substrings, and where does it split? It splits wherever there is a space. That space is no longer there. If you see there's one hello, and then there's a world, 2 strings, that space is no longer there, because it split the string at the place of the space. I can change the default argument of split. The default argument of split is a space, which means it splits wherever there's a space. Instead of that, I can split wherever there is a W. Enter. It split the W, but now if you see the space is there as part of the hello. It did not split where the space is there, but W is no longer there. It split where there was a W. Is this clear? This is about a string methods, a lot of them. Some of them we haven't covered. That's for your self-exercise to figure out. That's about strings. We will now go to the next data structure, that is lists, in the next video.